Abuja, Nezu, we are back. The video has been one of the difficult time, as I say. Person be sorry ababe because of normal air cost system. Nyesa system hakra the whole world and kasa. Just say some news no tin air cost now share masa. Just say numbers and be double, be triple in your ho. And it's crazy say you don't feel ignited and as passionate to do anything. All you want to do is just lie there. But some people rely on the updates, to keep themselves informed. That is why the reason and let me video is let me give you a little bit of near course of what you say. Ghana says cases now rise to 16. 16 no sure say it's more than that, but as a more test kits you better test your for so far no we come about or 16 and a year na to change almost more contact tracing hopefully just hopefully me sure say by nipa bi mo wo nipa ni nyankita ho definitely almost why infected so far no e be nim, but hopefully this contact tracing is on be follow up with anchor for no omunya omo a ebetima aboa at least ama yehu ba bia normal na ekwa afa because they say no we say Burkina Faso dey say do 40 was saying. Now imagine it is a Burkina 40 obi number say dog obi number say konanim and as the binum so wa omunya omadwen so omo fa de serious kra we hear some videos apopo apa omo amu odwam adwalai say amanfo no de hu ahye nipa bi mu ama ye kan say omo madwam metade really. So when you go to Italy, for example, how they Italy they never pass later on. So when you go to Italy, that's what think about the JD amount for my media. Crazy. And as them to some extent, so I JD for no they are not say because mono so money any other means beyond meeting they making money except that. And they say I don't think I not can na say who the severity of this whole thing what they say. Because the Burkina 14 as a Ghana was 16 now. Now there na Ghana started with what 2. Now was 16. Italy they started your own video 2 cases and I jump people 157. Now Italy is the worst, even worse than China. What I say. But they are going with that base. Second country Belgium. Belgium saying yes, you must shut the whole country down. Belgium, Portugal, Argentina, and some other countries we don't kick out. Belgium they saying yes, this is any public so I'm not about just roaming about what with him free police more babechon. Law on about Belgium they say say omuma 2 warnings. First one, the police in Initiawa. No amount warning section them she will fee mempie. Now so when you soon as essential the next time, second time now, it's either so between a fine of 4,000 euros and now say Uko jail, prison for 3 months. Tine Belgium the no. And it was a month when you are to quarantine and solve this whole wahala. What you say? Next year, what do we call it? Spain. Spain is saying and our better number 3rd country in the world what just nipa bebre na action and now ohwesen ye na ka China, South Korea, Italy and as say bibi adane am be China, Italy and Spain now just countries no am na mess na kra yeah China, Italy, Spain, Iran, Germany, USA, France, South Korea and Switzerland in here ho and the numbers no there no crazy. China 80,900, Spain and Italy 41,000, Spain 20,000, Iran 19,600, Germany 18,750, USA 16,000, France 10,000, South Korea 8,000. What I say? Which means about 4 numbers it was right and it's getting it's climbing each and every day. The only surprise is say China. Not saying there will be any who are China. And new cases being also finding over China from this coronavirus, which is in Iran, which is amazing. It's amazing. Over figures now, almost 34 people infected with China, and then more China who, and then Chinese people now the people never China, but China for citizens in 3 other countries like some of the European countries and the USA, go back to China. And they be a sign call back. And into this China buy quite a year by say so China and I say back to China and I say yeah for emergent situation be na country now woman until some of be and I don't know say China for no Honey free by yet, but at least take drastic measures. Me I stop flu no, at I stop BBB down, which is very interesting and neat to see. Iran saying, yes, nipa baako bi ewu every 10 minutes. 10 minutes from this yadi, which is just as simple as you. No, it's a recorded case. The deaths in Kwana is a 149 BBTs. And then aside that, in the whole country, no, yes, numbers in intimate to say, put all the figures out there. And only one of the reasons in there, I say, who say now more numbers net is but say the real figures buy more testing in your account because almost need equipment and no make account or the better testing to send Italy for a year. What I say, you say can numbers in come out right here and you can say numbers no probably rising more than Italy for the reason. And our next professionals and our nipa or your reason. Robert and they don't even have the correct. You can say medical accoutrements here. The best show for life, and that is crazy. What I say? Other countries now pitching in almost and they almost casting be team. They have to that kind of stuff. They have or medical aspects to proper take care of. Go for now, I say amount for no more infected. And you see countries doing this now. It's really nice to say in the midst of everything horrible. No, still now we care about people. What I say? You go anymore. USA saying, as I kind before. Our cases arise to 16 run 11,000 now 16,058. 150 maybe yeah 16,058 219 and they so far. Run 150 ne 219 now, which means a crazy ankasa. Trump ababo and Tiababa can say. Almost tested drug beer, kind of saying chloroquine. Chloroquine, the FDA for Nama or my fast tracking approval, and I say, won't beat him their tested. Says speech in the idea, Trump on the sword in because chloroquine in that same press conference now, head of FDA, corrected Trump, which then say, and Yadi say, and no ye cure a man for the about unya chloroquine, then you are safe. No, and yes, sanity. The Trump speech by a man for the throne around say, who chloroquine, which me in cases when you and it is not working. Nature man cancer is mainly because Italy, France, Germany, yes, so we contracted at the NB, a honor, and no medicine or medical and the mount. Making sure say almost in your vitals in way before and then you approve drug mainly on the street what you say. But I don't know what they tested. In some cases in most cases and in the FDA boss on the say the right dosages or the many pardon, the right amount, the right depend no more be there are so many testing to be done. And yes, Trump and yes, and Trump probably and thing kind of straightforward is chloroquine team say what I say. Italy is saying this, and be an American. This is Italy for not started the man for no getting infected. Now is a first medicines no medical the man in case it's a swallow now. Biniano, na Italy for our doctors are the last and we came more. I don't know what could on the world stage. I can say any bit myself a man for, which is crazy, Ankasa. And one good thing is some of the states in the world, US, or mona suspended rent for a month for Muniska because if you want some quick you must monyeska. And now send amnesia ban is better so be as we stay home and so stay home as well. Over then your rent we can say scapa put your rent. That is the issue with this whole thing until to properly stop sadness government governor sorry. I put to suspension on more Muniska on waiting just on cocoa as a hand to mouth for you or must suspend your rent or more renting you must suspend it, which means that you don't have to pay rent on Dina be a one as a release and as a VBTS. And that is a good thing. More states now started deploy Italy days in now, yeah, the other Italy, then we come back to the near cancer. Italy, for example, says death toll Nankasa, Nipa from this virus we see, a dorsal chain China and Kasa I didn't feel buy. They say ocean numbers now is not just it's no joke. China deaths near 3,248, Italy there 3,405. just say it's so crazy say numbers no it keeps rising. Odwe ho a won't ase. Just say as Italy recovery rate no very very low. Hospitals say Italy na ma. Ohwe town a me wo ma is a region na is Italy hit a big pa. Town a me wo no Brescia, which is the second city a wo sa region we no na yes so far kese pa was adi. Now her first one Bergamo na. And then who amount for say military just say hospitals ayema baby a yeshi nipa kra no why ma cemeteries I started filling up what they say nti say nipa ni wu a adu level say say ye kra man for what other part of the kind of Italy na south for ne you for na enyan hit you that much no so omo no beba ana omo aba bebo omo aba nipa ni bi kra ko omo for ne ade what they say that is how bad it is. Just this okay videos been made trend out to military for from one military cars and so be free akoka more than 12 ni nyina from that can go neguma go see. Now it's not getting better. It is a osha na come say up to April 3rd according to decree law now mo de ba so be antene up to April 3rd no. We see see kona na say nyan slow down now is more likely so mo be extend this idea. What I say on be extending it to who knows when. What I say and no any cause was saying doctors and health professionals na kasa no omu seek for help just say I say we are nurse and also a physician was our background maybe from other country cry na oba omu hia mo because doctors and nurses na treat take care of nipa na infected no omu ankasa themselves no are also getting infected from these people la ebinum kura wu ni ekeka ho just say this thing is not slowing down. To see country like my country, Ghana, I say, still now you dare the need, we are making fun, we are making jokes, no. Killer, and easy. Now Italy has seen, no. So we are in normal sickness, untimate call hospital. Because on Becca, own formulas in the craft for such specific amounts, oh yeah, you from your yeah. On Becca trust in a fee. Because we'll be in who have a foul. Hospitals need na yema. Baby, uncle Musi or laundry big places for massive hospitals no. See some convert laundry into ICU you can say ICU no not ICU wards hospital rooms or ma packing per sisi wa or mu le nipa also. The moment nipa we be free in power so na there is another person there or baby take sample. That tells you the situation I won't Italy is saying. See and you see Italy pie na so wo flu the first thing police initial on automatic and then you have bisa wasembia who go prison for 3 to 12 months. You share now flu keka, that is it. And you share now so roam about without no tangible reason and only a mouth fine and now so who go prison for 3 months. That some of the situations in also were as you know. And as I say, nipa ni were to the level be said nurses and doctors no, they don't even count nipa na EU no. Because one day, nipa 400 and over 450 in the year from Italy and from this segment in 24 hours. That tells you how crazy and how serious this thing is. What you say? And so why? Supermarket, for example, saying, when they say almost say, I don't hear one of the tangible reasons they wait in the piano. Okwa koto even Jane name Kwana wait to make the lines because okwa spacing. Nipa akujina ni saying about akujina ni saying. And so ma wide enough space, but that we nipa ni do with kind of say when nima na we chini ntem. Nipa ba ko room no koto ni oto no pia na ba ko asne room. Sana zin say ekoswa. In very big supermarkets na omo yen up to 5. Now no me wife for one of the biggest Ocean ewo yezun ha isin. Ye call ye no omo say menene na ma ida so ono nko na ewuram no pia na me mako ana say me kwa na me wuram na me pia no wako omo ma ya ho kwa ma ya mienu enko mum da. And that is a very big supermarket akasa nipa bebre betimi wuram but so free the same family ya ma sa chance in my wuram we ni no ma bi e cause we Italy guys. So what is a Ghana for us still now the no me di agro na you you don't know and I didn't grab him yeah and now was a kind of hospitals no be no almost every single day bia from almost every part of Italy and Casano minimum pray 50 patients and get infected. Almost send you on every single day at every single hospital I Italy. That is the reason why it's a numbers and say so my fly can say experts be from China so me warm to solve this problem. What I say? They are doing all what they can. Say you be stay safe, but it looks like say it's still not still. So we don't know when life will be back to normal. All we know they say this is our new reality. What I say? And I'm saying economic crisis definitely ever happening. This is a European Central Bank issue $820 billion. Yeah. I don't know, say all the European countries need to help with the economy. So then USA, maybe say US for also almost stimulus package for pandemic. They be I don't know $1 trillion, and also more release other countries to say for Canada, France, Germany, almost why year or more there. So there are so many things happening. There are so many things going on. What I say. So hopefully, this video can have some sort of insight of near air coso. Now, we say stay safe. Like I said, when you edited video where you just straight talk, make sure that this is what hey. When you straight talk, say this is what is hey. When air coso, abusia, then abusia say oh video where tie na me cleaning kakra me no han futuro ko me hunu ma se me hunu asi kura no me suro se ma chi bi mboa heriti amaje say mama lo ama me different perspective on this no because masa well abusia subscribe to YouTube channel and click wado man so say new video be baba bia no e pa na nsaka till we meet again abusia stay safe and adios